For those of you in my computer tutoring class, this is a little bonus tutorial on how to make a Mentimeter word cloud poll. I'm assuming you have a working device with an internet connection and you have some kind of web browser on it. I'm also assuming that you have made a free account at www.mentimeter.com. I'm assuming that you went ahead and logged into your account and you've clicked on your My Presentations list. And once you're inside the list, you can click on this button called New Presentation. And I'm going to call it a word cloud for the church pancake breakfast. Just talking about breakfast all day today. We'll click on Create Presentation. We'll give it a minute to load. And here we are again in our poll making area, the dashboard. We're making a new presentation, so it's a brand new slide. And again, everything you need is on the right-hand side. This time, instead of doing multiple choice like we did last time, I'm going to pick the next one, word cloud. All right, and it's going to ask me what the question is, and I'm going to go ahead and put, what kinds of foods shall we have at the church breakfast? So this is a little more open-ended than the multiple choice style. For the entries per participant, I'm going to go ahead and bump them up to 10. 10 things. It's more like a brainstorm. What are all the foods that you would want to have at this yummy pancake breakfast? I'm going to go ahead and click on image just to make it interesting. We'll go to the image in the library. We can type breakfast. Oops. Let's see what sort of pictures we could have. Look at this yumminess. I'm going to pick that one. In the alt text, for those who have screen readers that need to have some text to describe what's happening, I'm going to put image of breakfast foods. And then their screen reader will change it to Braille or voice activated, depending on what their device is. We'll hit save. Okay, and now it appears inside the main area on our slide. We have a lovely picture of all sorts of breakfast things. We scroll down. This one, extras, let participants submit multiple times. So what if you are having a shared device? And sometimes you have this in your Zoom meetings, like it's a married couple, both of them sharing in front of the computer because the home has one computer. If you click on extras, it lets that computer vote 2 times. The first time for spouse number 1 and the second time for spouse number 2. Or maybe it's 2 roommates or some other situation where people are sharing the computer. When you click that, it lets them vote more than once so that each person gets a full 10 slots. So that's how you can make a word cloud poll. You could do this. You could add a slide if you're feeling adventurous and pick one of the other ones to explore. One we haven't done. We tried multiple choice. We've just done word cloud. Maybe you want to try open-ended or scales or ranking or Q&A style. You can go ahead and make a second one and see what that feels like. One of the neat things about Mentimeter is that it also gives you the option to have sort of like a Jeopardy quiz competition. If you wanted to explore those, you could do that, and you could also explore some of the other things for making slide presentations, because you don't have to use a separate slide making thing for your presentation. You can just have everything here for your class or your meeting, your slides and everything, and then go ahead and have built-in polls. Otherwise, you can make your slides somewhere else in your Google Slides, in your Keynote, in your PowerPoint, and only do the poll part over here at Mentimeter.